what's happening, guys? It's your boy. You know the deal. Right now we are making a beat. I already made the beat, but I just wanna dissect it with you guys. And let's get straight to it, man. See, what I did was to like get into the old school feel, um, kind of like 2000s, 90s boom bap type vibe. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I put the old school snares on and the Nas kick. This is a Nas kick right there. It's actually mixed with another kick, which is interesting. I didn't even realize that. But anyway, that's the deal. That's the drums. And of course, I had to add some chords. Them chords though. Them chords though. God damn. I Okay, originally this was supposed to be on another key, but I kind of moved it up a semitone. I kind of moved it up a semitone, just to make it a little brighter. Kind of have that kind of victorious kind of feel. Like we made it. Like that we made it kind of feel. So yeah, that's what I was going for. There's something missing with this bass line. I guess I could correct that now. It was a huge um, gap of silence, if I can call it that. Oh wait, I see what's happening. Okay, let's just leave it like that. Boom! That's how you do it. Now, let's hear it with the keys. Let's hear all three with the key. That's how we do. So, in addition, I actually added some guitar. Let's hear it out. See the, see that guitar right there has a lot of effects on it. Because it sounded so screechy, like um, over here in this section, I had to cut out some frequencies on the high end because, man, it was annoying my ears to hear that guitar. So I had to cut out that, and that's called a low pass filter. Yeah, that's called a low pass filter. So and what did I do here? Oh yeah, obviously I cut some nice frequencies. I mean, not nice, bad frequencies, but yeah. But let's get to the meat of this. Reverb, reverb. That is what makes the guitar sound so much better. Like, way much better. And the delay as well. Let me play that one more time. Hear that? That delay? That that is what makes this track so dope. I mean, this guitar. And all I just did, the only thing else I did was some strings. that that was it. That was literally it. And I added a bit of added some crashes, here and there just to make this thing dope. But I'm sure you guys want to hear this beat, so I'm gonna go ahead and just play it. Man, one thing I forgot, I also added some drums in the beginning, some toms, just for that, you know. Hold on. And then the drop comes in. Let me play it with the. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's exactly what I did on this beat. And yeah, that is my beat. Nipsey Hussle type beat. Rick Ross. I think Rick Ross could actually get on this track too, but I don't know. Maybe Drake. These niggas, yeah, Drake. I don't know, but I think Nipsey's a perfect fit for this joint. Yeah, and yeah. R.I.P. We are done with this video, man. Make sure you like and subscribe. Follow my page. And peace, man. See y'all next time.